Picture this. It's a beautiful Sunday afternoon, and you're hosting a family gathering at your home. Suddenly, disaster strikes. Your kitchen sink is clogged, your toilet won't stop running, and water seems to be leaking from everywhere. It's a plumbing nightmare. But fear not, because in today's video, we will help you identify a qualified local plumber who can save the day. So let's dive in. Plumbers offer a wide range of services that homeowners may need at different times. Common services offered include drain cleaning, pipe repair, replacement, and toilet repairs. Plumbers nowadays have fancy gadgets like hydrojets to blast away blockages and video cameras to inspect drain lines. They even use trenchless sewer repair to minimize property damage during major repairs. Impressive, right? Finding the right plumber in Coachella Valley or Inland Empire may seem like a challenge, but not all plumbing professionals are alike. So, how can you distinguish reliable professionals from the rest? First, it's important to hire a licensed and insured plumber. This ensures they meet state regulations for safety standards, giving you peace of mind. You can verify their credentials by checking the California State License Board's online database. Second, consider the value of ongoing education within the plumbing industry. An ideal plumber should stay up to date on current trends through continuous learning. They might attend workshops or take advanced courses offered by professional organizations. A well-educated plumber will be equipped with the latest knowledge and techniques, leading to more efficient service delivery. But how can you estimate the costs? The expense of employing plumbers in the Coachella Valley can vary depending on multiple factors. For more extensive repairs, costs may range from $1,000 to $3,000. Examples include replacing a sewer line or installing a new water heater. On the other hand, fixing a leaky tap or unclogging a drain usually costs around $100 to $300. Different plumbers may have varying pricing structures based on their expertise and the complexity of the job. Emergency services usually come with higher fees. Additionally, the cost of materials used during repairs or installations also contributes significantly to the total expenses. Don't forget to ask about warranties for added security against future problems. As a resident of the Coachella Valley, you must be aware that emergency situations can arise unexpectedly. Whether it's a burst pipe or a clogged drain, being prepared is key to avoiding plumbing pain. Here's what you need to know. To tackle minor plumbing issues yourself, there are some must-have DIY tools that every homeowner should own. These tools include a set of wrenches for tightening and loosening pipes, a plunger for unclogging toilets and drains, and Teflon tape, also known as plumber's tape, for sealing pipe threads against leaks. It's also a good idea to keep spare parts like washers and O-rings at home. They come in handy for dealing with leaky faucets or shower heads. However, there are cases where it's necessary to call a professional plumber. These are situations that require specialized skills and equipment. Tasks like replacing water heaters or fixing sewer lines fall into this category. In such cases, don't hesitate to reach out to local plumbers near you who specialize in emergency repairs. The key here is not to wait until things get worse before calling for help. Early detection often means less costly repairs. So if something seems off with your plumbing system, such as a significant drop in water pressure or an unusual smell from your drains, it's important to contact professionals right away instead of playing the DIY game. By being prepared with the necessary DIY tools and knowing when to call in the experts, you can navigate emergency plumbing situations with confidence and avoid potential disasters. So how can you choose your local plumber wisely? Finding a reliable local plumber near you doesn't have to be daunting. Here's how you can choose wisely. Start by using online platforms to find accredited local plumbers in your area. Websites like Home Advisor or Angie's List can be helpful resources. Remember to research each potential hire thoroughly and read customer reviews and ratings. Apart from online platforms, word-of-mouth recommendations remain a trustworthy way of finding reputable service providers. If friends or family members had positive experiences with certain plumbers, chances are high you will too. When evaluating potential hires, pay attention not only to what customers say about their work quality, but also to how responsive they are when issues arise. Consider their professionalism and responsiveness toward customer needs. Selecting someone experienced who offers a fair pricing structure based on the job size and duration is crucial. It's not always about choosing the cheapest option available, as that may lead to subpar results in the long run. A good practice is to start with smaller projects first to see how the contractor performs, then gradually move on to larger ones once trust has been established between both parties. So there you have it. By understanding plumbing services, identifying a qualified local plumber, estimating plumbing costs, and choosing wisely, you'll be well prepared to tackle any plumbing issues that come your way. If you're in need of a reliable local plumber in the Coachella Valley or Inland Empire, don't hesitate to contact Anthem Plumbing. You can reach them at 951-389-5151 for Inland Empire or 760-895-2621 for the Coachella Valley. Don't let plumbing nightmares ruin your day. Get the professionals on the job. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and information. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care and happy plumbing.